Hi, welcome. My name is Robert Barry, and if you're viewing this video at any point in time, I do appreciate you. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you guys will get notifications anytime I upload fresh content. And so, guys, this channel was created with you guys in mind. Anyone that is looking to make maybe a part-time or even a full-time income online, okay? And so today's video is going to be addressing what is a capture page and what is a landing page. All right, so right now what you're looking at is the back office of my business. All right, and my business is $25 one up. Okay, $25 one up is my business. All right, and so what I want to do just before I get started, I want to take you guys over to Google to show you guys what time is it here in the beautiful islands of the Bahamas. I live in the Bahamas. I am a father of one son. I am a part-time marketer. I am a full-time bartender by profession. Okay, so I want to take you guys over to Google real quick. All right, so time in the Bahamas. All right, so you see here, guys, it's 3:37 p.m. Monday the 27th April 2020. All right, and that is the time and date of the recording of this video. And so, guys, for my persons that are going to be partnering with me within a $25 one-up opportunity, I wanted to show you guys real quick where you can find your capture pages, where you can find your landing pages. And so you're going to sign into your back office of $25 one-up. To the left, there's going to be a slide of options. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says funnel pages. There should be a drop down menu. Also, it's going to say funnel pages. You want to double click. All right. And so once you double click, you're going to come down to a page that looks similar to this. All right. So what is a capture page, right? These, what you're looking at right now, are $25 one-up capture pages. But what is a page in general? Okay, so a capture page is a capture page is a unique business page that would ask for either or all of the above. Okay, it's going to ask for an email address. It has the option of asking for a name and a telephone contact. Okay, and also a capture page is going to have some catchy ad copy or some verbiage that is going to get your creative thinking juices going, and it's going to have some catchy wording for a title, and it is also going to have a call to action, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by a call to action. Okay, so I'm going to click on one of the $25 one-up capture pages, and you can see it has a company logo, so maybe it will have a company logo. It's going to have some verbiage, like I would have said, warning, you may lose sleep after watching this video. So that right there in itself is going to get your thinking juices going. You're going to be in a mood to want to see more. Oh, what are they talking about? I'm going to lose sleep. Is this video that good? And so right below that, you're going to have a call to action. Watch the video. So you're going to click the video, and then you're going to have the options. Well, not the options. You're going to have to enter your name, email address, a phone number, and you're going to have to enter the letters, the series of letters and numbers, right? And this is just to know that you're an actual human being. I'd go. Yeah, so that there, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be able to see exactly what a capture page is. Now, what I want to do now is I want to go back into my $25 one-up back office, and I now want to show you, well, just before I get there, you guys can see this is another capture page here within $25 one-up. And all capture pages, no matter what company, all of the basic capture pages are basically the same, okay? You have some wording. All right, here it speaks about the commission, but then you have, like I say, your name, email address, number, a set series of numbers and digits that you would have to enter, and then a call to action. Okay, so this is just another capture page I wanted to show you guys. Now what I want to do is show you guys what are the basics of a landing page. All right, so let's go over to, okay, so a landing page for any typical or any business, online business, it would have what we call a company presentation and other relative information on a capture page. And so here it's a company's presentation, right? Then you would have a call to action, join $25 one-up. Also, what is very important is a lot of companies would insert a income disclaimer, and the income disclaimer for $25 one-up is as follows: results not typical. Your income will depend 100% on your work ethic, sorry. And as you scroll down, you have another income disclaimer here as well. Also, you would have terms and condition, home, privacy policies, refund policies, and all of the contact information if you want to reach out to the support of that particular company. I want to show you guys another landing page. This is another form of landing page, right? And so, like I said, you have a create your account, which is a call to action. You have relative information as it relates to the company. Also, on a landing page, sometimes you would have the price or the product that is offered by that particular company. And so you would find different levels, whether it be gold, platinum, so on and so forth. And then all of the stuff that comes along with each package level, all right? And then of course you get how it works, yada, create your account, right? And so this is a basic, another basic capture page. Now they may vary, like I say, in terms of the company. I want to show you guys another form of okay. All right, yeah, so this is basically the exact same landing page, but you guys do get the gist. What is a landing page from what is a capture page? All right, I'm just gonna go over it again. So the basic capture page, like I said, would ask for an email, name, email, and you fill out a series of numbers and digits just to make sure that you are an actual human. You would hit enter, which will be the call to action, watch now, click for next video, etc., something of that nature. Okay, and then of course the landing page would be a brief introduction to the company and what they offer, as well as you would have income disclaimers and also a call to action as far as join links and purchase items and stuff like that. So just wanted to put this quick video out there. Somebody, one of my team members actually coming in with a box. What is a capture page and what is a landing page? I just want to get on here and shoot this video really quick. And so if you guys are out there and you don't have an extra income, or if you're wishing to earn some extra cash, I highly encourage you to just click the link at the very bottom of the video. My team and I We have a 14-day blueprint that we are following, and all of us are seeing great success. We're making daily incomes. We have newbies, veteran marketers that are finding our 14 blueprint very exciting and very easy to follow. And so if you're looking to make an extra income, please click the link. I'm also going to include my Facebook link. I am easily reached via Facebook than anything else. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on another video shortly.